Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we'll be making a flip-cup style acrylic pour painting, beach vibes. We're using this bowl. I've come to love these bowls, they're great, hopefully you'll love them too. Let's get right to it. Just gotta straighten up a bit, and we'll go through the colors as we pour them in the bowl for you guys. Let's go fast here. There we go. Lately I've been liking starting out with white on the bottom. I've been using silicone in it today, no silicone in anything. There's no silicone, so we're going with titanium white on the bottom. Alright. Then we're going to go with parchment. We're going to keep parchment to one side, okay? Now, we want to go with our viridian. Okay, going in the arch pattern here. Then we're going to go light blue. Oh yeah, that's nice. A little turquoise. And pearlized crystal blue. Alright. Now, for sure I'm gonna go and speed the video up now. So, I'll talk to you later. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so now this is the fun part. Gotta flip this. I consider this more of a traditional flip because I'm gonna put the canvas on top and flip instead of messy flips, which I just love. I just love this. But we're gonna go like this. Alright, here we go. Upside down. Bowl's nice because I can feel it underneath. It's just gonna be a crazy flip and up and down, nice and slow. We're gonna come back down. Alright. Let's see. Are we ready? Maybe one hand? Guess one hand. Ready? Here we go. And it's been pretty consistent. I've been getting the same center pattern here. I like it. I love it. Look at the surface area that just comes. Look at the surface area that just comes out here. It's so great. It takes up so much space. Now, I like the little torch for this. Alright. Alright, there we go. Yeah, no silicone, so it's not crazy with cells. I like not a lot of cells. Alright, let's talk about this. I have a preference. I always go top left. I've realized that. This is great. Alright, let's get to flipping, guys. Flipping, tilting. Keep the nice beach vibes going here. I don't want to over mix too much. A little go off, just a little. Right. And down here, stretch the beach section. And we're going to come in this way. Very nice. Oh, I love it. Always like beach colors. Very relaxing. Always nice. Let's come back up to the top here. Alright. A lot of paint today, guys. That's alright. It's always fun. Let's bring her back again. I'd like to say I'd like to get a shot at this bottom corner a little. I don't know how much paint's going to move for that. At least we can get some nice patterns. Yeah, we're going for it. Let's go for that bottom corner here, guys. That's a little different. Okay, bring it up and come back. And let's see if we can get everything back to that center. Alright. Come down here. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay, guys. Let's put her down. We're gonna bring you guys in for a close up, and we're gonna have a good night. Alright, see you later.